Hello students, today I am going to discuss in this video the grammar practice part from your workbook. This part we have already solved. Let's come to this part here. Identify the adverb clauses in the given proverbial sayings. So we have to find out the adverbial clauses from here. Once again, I would like to remind you that adverbial clause, whether it is adverbial clause or adjective clause or noun clause, means they are subordinate clauses, and subordinate clauses always start with a conjunction. So this is a clue. Now see the first sentence, may he while the sun shines. Which part is starting with conjunction? While the sun shines. So this part is adverbial clause here. Where there is a will, there is a way. Where there is a will is the adverbial clause. Those who live in glass houses do not throw stone. Those who live in glass houses is the adverbial clause. Do not count your chickens before they hatch. Before they hatch is the adverbial clause. Falls are thick where love is thin. Where love is thin is the adverbial clause, as it started with conjunction where. People are lonely because they build walls instead of bridges. So because they built walls instead of bridges are the this part is the adverbial clause. Choose most appropriate adverbial clause. You just see here options are given. You have to pick up the correct word. You should not speak while eating a meal. Dash, diesel cars are expensive, they are cheaper to maintain. Although diesel cars are expensive, they are cheaper to maintain. The man looks like an American, he has a Scottish accent. Though the man looks like an American, though he has a Scottish accent. You should give some time before the water comes to a boil. You need proper shoes to go trekking in the mountains, even though the ground is rough and hard. We keep our food in the fridge so that it does not spoil. Then comes identify the dependent and independent clause in the sentences given below. Underline the dependent clause in red and independent clause in black. Now, as I told you, independent clause means principal clause which is able to clear its meaning without the help of the other part, and other part means dependent clause means it's subordinate clause starting with a conjunction. So see, because I had to catch the train, so it's starting with because means conjunction. This part is dependent clause and rest is independent clause. She was extremely sorry for coming late. See here, she was extremely sorry for coming late. It's here, this is a simple sentence, so this is main clause. It was already very late when the minister arrived. When the minister arrived, it started with conjunction and this part is dependent clause. He offered him help as he was in need. So here conjunction with conjunction started this part, as he was in need. This part is dependent clause. How he won the competition shows his willpower and effort. How he won the competition is the dependent clause started with conjunction how. Rest is independent clause. Whoever comes first shall conduct the meeting. Whoever comes first is the dependent part started with conjunction. Now read the story below and fill in the clauses wherever missing. This you can solve. This is not that important. You can go through and solve on your own. Now see here what is given in the next question. Given below a poem. Complete this poem by adding appropriate question tag. Question tag, you know, this is a type of question that is its main purpose is to put emphasis and to receive answer from the listener. Okay, we have already discussed this. Then now it's time to solve this part. A man came from a village fair. He seemed relaxed and devoid of care. You are from the village. You are from the village. So question tag will be are, it's affirmative. You are from the village. So question tag will be negative. Aren't you? It will be aren't you? You did not lost your shoe. So here it is negative and question tag will be affirmative. Did you? The weather is pleasant. It's going to rain. Isn't it? You haven't lost your way, have you? The man replied, you know me, don't you? Let me find my way home. Let me find my way home. Then, won't, yeah, it's me said, no, let me find my way home. What should be here then? Better, let me is there. So, it will be, yeah, won't I? Which is not far away, you see, isn't it? A man who came from village fair. Came is the verb, so we have to take help of do verb past tense. A man who came from the village fair. Didn't he? He was so gay and carefree, wasn't he? I hope you have understood. If there is any problem, you will text me. I will try to solve it again. Now see here what is said. Fill in the blanks to complete the famous quotes, phrases, alliterating them. Now see one example given for you. For example, as wild as wind, WW sign, alliteration. Now dead as winter, winter, it's not done alliteration. So we have to write dead as doorbell, not doorbell, door nail, dead as door nail. Okay, as busy as bee, so BB sound repeating, it's as busy as bee. Good as gold, so G sound repetition of G sound. Then last we can say laugh, L-A-U-G-H, last laugh. Make a mountain out of a molehill, out of a molehill. Primrose, P sound, no, primrose path, yes. So I read again. Dead as door nail, as busy as bee, good as gold, last laugh, make a mountain out of a molehill, primrose path. Now coming to this techno poem. This is a poem you will read and recite on your own, and then see given below are sentences that contain similes and metaphors. You know what is a simile? Simile means direct comparison between two similar things, and metaphor means indirect comparison between two dissimilar things. Now underline the two words in each sentence that being compared. The man was a mountain of strength. Man is compared to mountain. The poet was a beacon of change. Poet and beacon. The fireworks look like bright stars, so firework and bright star. Mohan sleeps like a dog, so Mohan and the dog. Mary's lamb was as white as snow. Here Mary's lamb is compared to snow. George is a drum-driven cattle, so George and the drum-driven cattle is compared here. Now in question paper 1, section A reading, here a passage is given for comprehension. You will be reading and try to solve this on the basis of your reading, complete the sentences. You can do it on your own, answer these questions, that also can be done by you. It will be a practice for you. And then coming to this part, change the underlined phrases into adjectives, adverbs and nouns. See here, she wants to buy a necklace made of gold. So what can be the solve here? She wants to buy a necklace, a golden necklace. We can easily say she wants to buy a golden necklace. I have never seen a parrot with purple beak. So I have never seen a purple beaked parrot. Purple beaked parrot. He will return home. Sorry, he will return before long. So before long can be easily said as soon. Adverb, no, soon. The soldiers fought the war in a brave manner, bravely. The soldiers fought the war bravely. He is buying a pair of shoes that is expensive. He is buying a pair of expensive shoes. Now, rearrange the words to make a meaningful sentence, to make meaningful sentences. Land of America is a opportunities. Always to solve this type of arrangement, you first go for the sentence pattern. Subject, verb, object. Now what is the subject here? The land of America. Then comes verb, is. A, opportunities. No, we have to arrange it correctly. First subject, America, then verb is, then object, a land of opportunities. America is a land of opportunities. Again, have great we reach railway station at the. Once again, keep it in your mind, the sentence pattern, subject, verb, object. Find out the subject from these jumbled words. We is the subject, reached, we reached is the verb, we reached at the railway station. And then which are the words left? Great, no? We reached at the great railway station. No, we will be solving it in exclamatory sentence. First write down great, then give exclamatory sign, then write at we have reached at the railway station. Great, then exclamation mark, we have reached at the railway station. This will be the correct sentence formation. Now, wearing what a lovely are you necklace. Again, subject, verb, predicate. You are wearing what a lovely necklace. We can write it in starting with what a lovely necklace you are wearing. This is also correct. Number 4. Will go I not Switzerland ere this too. Very simple. I will not go to Switzerland this year. Wound I have bleeding a. I have a bleeding wound. Complete each statement using the verb in simple present tense. This each one of you can do it in separate method, or means sentences will be different for each student. See, Victoria Memorial, now complete it into simple, add something to it and complete it in simple present tense. Victoria Memorial is in Kolkata. In this way, you will be doing this on your own. Capitalize and punctuate the following sentences. This is punctuation work given in your workbook. We cannot avoid it because it is also a crucial part of your learning. And this is, see, Janice wants to visit France, Egypt, China, India. We know where are the mistakes here. Janice is the proper name. It will start with capital letter. Then wants to visit France. F will be in capital letter. After F, give a comma. Egypt will start with capital E. Give comma. China will capital C, and India also with capital I, and at the end will be full stop. Then comes my favorite colors are black, blue, black and white. My M will be in capital letter. Favorite colors are blue, then comma, black and white, and at the end give a full stop. This is the correct punctuation. Number 3, if you behave properly, I will buy you a chocolate. Now start with capital I. If you behave properly, comma, I will buy you a chocolate, full stop. Help, cried Mohan. Hello. Now see here, write help H with capital letter and within inverted comma. You will start inverted comma first, then write H with capital and help means, then give exclamation mark and close the inverted comma, then give comma and write cried Mohan, then full stop. I will complete this sentences, then again I will share with you so that you can avoid any confusion. Number 5, I like this Virat's car. Now I will be in capital letter like, then Virat, V will start with capital letter and then apostrophe S will be there, Virat's car, then full stop. Fill in the blanks with articles. This is also given and you have to do it. He will return in an hour. Gold is an expensive metal. We visited the Taj last year. I have a blueberry and an apple to eat. The ostrich is the largest bird. She is an air hostess in Air India. The Olympic was held in Rio this year. Rohan wants to be a Leander Pace. Help the poor and the needy. Cappuccino is a variety of coffee. Okay. Underline the modals in these sentences. You know modal means modal auxiliary verbs. Must is the modal, may is the modal, can, should, ought, etc. Change these sentences into passive voice. He sells leather bags here. He is subject, sells is the verb, and what he sells object is leather bags. So passive voice will be leather bags are sold by him here, or leather bags are sold here by him. I have not cleaned this table. I have not cleaned this table. This table is the object, it will be subject in passive voice. This table has not been cleaned by me. Rima does all the work. This is active voice, we have to change it to passive voice. Rima does all the work. All the work are done by Rima. The little boy cut the cake. The cake was cut by the little boy. People welcome the victorious athlete. Here, whom welcome? The victorious athlete. So, the object is victorious athlete. The victorious athlete was welcomed by the people. Now, fill in the blanks with auxiliary verbs of be, do and have. I baking a cake today. So, be auxiliary verb. I am baking a cake today. Nima hoping to get an A1 grade in art exam. Nima is hoping. Mari bought earplugs. Mari has bought, we can say. Okay, or Mari, yes, Mari has bought. Father's important papers are missing from the office. We write that complaint letter. So, here said be of, be, do and have. No, we write that complaint later. Here write is given, so we do write the complaint later. This part you see, here we have to add suffixes to this. Sense, sensible, fast, fasten, care, careful, child, childhood, prince, princess, beautician, pump, pumped, notice, noticeable, preach, preachable, library, librarian. Yes. Now tick the correct word in these sentences. Here same similar sound words are there. We have to choose the correct ones, and that is done. I could not decide which chocolate to be eat first. I do not like to waste water. I decided to wear the blue dress for the birthday party. Strawberries can be crushed and made into wine. The sea was beautifully blue. Okay, so this much I have done today. Hope you have understood. Now I suggest you to complete this part in your book on your own without looking at this answer keys. You now yourself complete it, and it will be a practice for you also. Thank you, students. And in case of any doubt or queries, you will just inform me. Thank you.